Hey YouTube, I am inside a 1994 Ford F150 today. Another one of these oldies but goodies. We are in the driver's side door jamb. What we're looking at here is what's left of the door ajar switch or the courtesy light switch, whatever you want to call it. But the button's missing, so the interior lights don't come on when the door is opened. So first up, we need to remove this, what's left of this old switch. You will need a 9/16 socket, a ratchet of course to go with it. So I'm going to go ahead and try to unscrew that now. Typically they're not on all that tight. So as you can see here, we've got it untwisted. Before I unplug the connector, I'll show you the new part. Today's part came from Napa, not a sponsor of course, but let's see if we can get you the part number. So made in the USA, that's a good thing. And there's the part number for the new switch. So the factory service manual says you have to have this wound counterclockwise about 4.5 turns. So what I'm doing here is I'm just holding it in the same position and I'm just gonna plug the light in here. Basically I just plugged it in place with the twist the way it was as I pulled the old switch off. So anyway, we're pushing it into the door jamb. I apologize if I get my finger off the button here. The door chime keeps going even though the key is out of the ignition, so that's another issue we have to figure out. So reverse of removal, we just catch the threads here. Once you have the switch in and snug, all you have to do is shut the door and it'll self-adjust. So very important that if you plan on adjusting the door, you'll want to adjust the door first prior to putting the switch in, because it's a one-time deal. Once it's adjusted to how the door sits currently. So I'll go ahead and do that. And you don't want to slam it, just shut it slowly. And we'll see that this thing will self-adjust. Okay, as you can see, it pushed itself into the door jamb just a little bit. It's self-adjusted, so when the door is shut, it pushes down on this correctly. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and release the button and check on the light. As you can see, the door is shut, the light turns off, the door open, light turns on. So, I guess I'll conclude this video. So as you can see, that was a pretty quick and easy job. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks.